Yeah, we are at the car show. B-Rad Nasty, link in description.
Thank you, sir.
Yep, we out here at the car show.
I'll show them what the car scene is somewhat turned into. This one's actually held by girls. So.
Yeah, that was a nice, I didn't know that, but hey, I need help. I need help with cars. Yeah, first annual, right?
Yeah, first annual modified show.
There's some hot shit out here. Oh, what are those? Those are small ones, huh?
They call
a Barth.
Yeah, see?
Yep, I do see that. That's cool. Where are they from? I never even heard.
They're Fiats.
Oh, they're Fiats?
Yeah, they're Fiats.
I heard of a Fiat. Okay.
But those are obviously modded, but yeah.
Okay, nice. Fucking Albert coming through. Albert coming through. All right.
That's why it's so expensive.
Okay. Well, this is a good paint job I'm seeing here.
Got it back? Yeah, bro. You got it back?
Ooh. All right, this is the boss.
You just got it back.
It's a hat. What is this?
I'm so glad I did not order this front lip.
Oh, you almost had that on yours?
Bro, I see this AR lip everywhere now, and I was gonna order one. Yeah, I know. But it's worth it. They look nice.
Oh yeah. So, okay. SpongeBob. There's some. That's something I would come through and swinging.
I'm saying though.
That's something I would come through swinging.
What were we just talking about? You see, that's what you're gonna find them looking like.
Right, but it's a labor of love.
Yeah. No matter how you look at it, it's a labor of love.
But I would start with something like that, and then you'd see the evolution through the years.
This car is like a 2003.
Okay.
An older dude owns it by the name of Dr. Cotton. It's got 40,000 miles on it.
Okay.
That's why
it's a Lexus, huh?
That's why it's so ridiculously clean.
Nice clean Lexus. Yeah, it does look clean. What year did you say that was it? What? 03?
Yeah.
Yeah, that shit was clean. To the Abarth boys, they got shade. Okay, that's it. That's clean there.
What?
What's up, brother? Good, man.
He's got 11,500 followers on Instagram.
Oh, cool. I'll have to get his Insta later.
Street life.
Huh?
Street life.
Street life, cool. I'll add it. What? You liking this or what?
Oh yeah, this is fine.
Okay.
This is just
Yeah.
common rust, always.
Okay. Rust fairly common down here near the beach.
We'll go check that.
Hell yeah.
You know what?
You're getting in that gap.
Looking clean. We subscribe to the Insta page.
Yeah.
One dirty. What? We followed. No, it's all right. You better check me for that.
That looks nice. That's it.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
He stickered it.
Yeah, drive.
He used to have female driven. Angry, drive fast, eat ass.
Drive fast, eat ass. Okay. Fucking with it.
It's okay. Bring your car to the
Hey, there we go. That's pretty clean coming through.
Yeah.
Yeah, the bump.
Hello. Hey, I'm JD. Nice to meet you too. I'm his cameraman today. No, I'm doing my own thing.
Very nice.
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber as well. CPA strength YouTuber.
I wasn't a YouTuber, but I worked for a big distributor where I did a lot of interviews, so I
Oh, okay. And interviews? Oh, awesome.
I sound like a newscaster.
Well, that's all right. Plug your shit. You got Instagram? What do you got? This
I got Bell 330.
Okay, you heard it here first.
With my best beater.
Is this your car show?
Yeah, my car.
Yeah.
Our founder is coming through. We have our ambassadors here as well. Our whole lineup is right over here.
Awesome.
Yeah, that's. We're gonna walk around.
We'll walk around, yeah.
We'll get them all.
We're on here. All right, cool. Yeah, this is a good fun.
There you go.
Yeah, why not?
Hard. So hard. Another one. Another one. She actually drives that purple one right
Oh,
over there.
cool. Bro, I need to see that Jeep over there, bro. I caught my eye. That caught my eye. I need to see that. Oh, some cars. Okay. Hey. Hell yeah.
Should be hooking.
Oh, this is small. I like the. Got some rims. Got some gold on the rims there. Could ride with that.
For the real reason.
What?
For the real reason why we walked over here.
Yeah. Good Lord.
Yo, good Lord.
That's what your boy's saying. Good Lord. I know. That caught. That'll get you where you need to go. Yeah, this will get you where you need to get to. Damn. They just put it up on a fucking tire. Hell yeah. That shit's dope, bro.
That's dope.
That is dope.
Hey, do you flex? They do.
Yeah, they flex, bro.
Flexing when
That is, yeah, they're flexing. Yeah, that was a good flex. Not a strange flex. These rims look something special.
Not even the rims, the attention to detail behind it.
Oh yeah?
There you go, that looks nice.
What's up?
That's gas.
like this. This is all right. Something like this. Yeah, I gotta say, our fucking the guys we came with, I like those cars. I like that red one. I like the white and red Infinity. Pretty hot. Oh, a snake. Get the snake away from me. I don't know who they are, but how much per bottle?
Well, they're different prices.
Oh, okay. How much is the glass cleaner?
You're looking to buy the glass cleaner.
Huh?
You're looking to buy the glass cleaner.
I'm just asking how much it is. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, it's a raffle.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah. I mean,
Sorry, bro. No, I'm so sorry.
Like you're looking to buy the glass cleaner.
I don't know.
That was awesome.
I forgot it was a raffle, to be honest.
Here you go. If you're looking to buy the
I forgot it was a raffle.
Yeah, you know the problem with it? Advance never has soap. Advance never has soap.
Advance never has soap.
Buy a ticket, though.